Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just type here Minecraft launcher and then right click on it, and after that click app settings, and then just scroll down until you find here reset, and here we'll find repair and reset. Just first click repair, and now just open task manager and click on it, and then just close the applications that you don't need. Click memory to see applications that takes a lot of your memory like Google Chrome. Right click on it and end task, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here to Minecraft launcher settings and then click reset and reset again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.